EdallSystems. We are a leading drone company in India who specializes on manufacturing drones and providing services like aerial drone survey, DGPS survey, etc. Our goal is to become a major product development company in the field of aerospace in India. We provide support and develop aerospace products in India. EdallSystems provides service in the field of image processing, which generates different outputs from aerial images with the help of ground control points. We are also providing services for land audit, town planning, irrigation, industrial area survey, UAV-based aerial survey, and videography. We offer end-to-end solutions in UAV-based services and mapping. This includes from feasibility, aerial image acquisition, to post-processing. UAV systems are used for low-cost, high-resolution aerial imagery. The UAV images can be used to generate orthophotos with a ground resolution of up to 2 centimeters and high-resolution digital elevation models. Applications include, but not limited to, construction, exploration and mining, forestry, agriculture, surveying, and search and rescue.
Hi, I am Naveen. Past few years I am working as a drone pilot at EdallSystems Private Limited. My primary responsibility is collecting the aerial data for creating maps and models. EdallSystems is a leading UAV manufacturer in India. We have been making drones and we provide services also like railway track, bridges, towers and pipeline, electric line inspections, and we provide the services for creating maps and 3D models. At present, we are doing geographical survey in Calicut. In that survey, we using our drone Waytak. In this work, I get to visit more places and get to interact with more people. And my perspective, what I seeing in my perspective, and drone giving a different perspective, that things giving more memory to me. I enjoy doing this work.
How do you see this technology impacting the future?
In this technology, very useful to monitoring the environmental changes and urban planning and development, and also it is useful to agricultural for soil health, checking the soil health and crop yield also.
What keeps you inspired in this profession?
I know when I was in college, I know how to fly a drone. So after graduation, I looking for a job related in UAV field. So I came into this profession thinking that it's good in future. Now I happy in this profession. So I have a lot of memories and I travel more places and explore more things. So I am happy. My daily routine is I charge the drone batteries and check the batteries are charged or not, and pack the drone properly, and I create one KML for today which area I am going to fly. After I move into the field, in that field I will checking any obstacles are there or not. In that obstacle means any telephone towers or terrains and tall buildings. I check that thing. All okay, nothing is there. Means I'll find out the one proper place for takeoff. And after I completing my work, I return back to room and I check the data, how its data is come today, and again I am doing same thing, keep the battery charge, like that only is good. The major challenge I faced in the field is we can't get the proper takeout places inside the city areas, and mountain and terrain and forest area also I can't get that proper place for takeoff. And sometimes technically issues means signal loss or not get the proper communication to ground station and drone. Weather is a major problem in conducting this aerial survey. I am happy with what I am doing now, and that because of EDALL. Thank you.